One thing I get asked about a lot is experiment-based questions in the exams, so today we're going to do a video to talk you through how to make a standard solution. Preparing a standard solution gets asked quite a lot in the higher chemistry exam, so if you are studying higher chemistry, definitely keep watching. Also advanced higher chemists, you get asked this too. So we start off with our balance. Remember, we call it a balance in chemistry, not a scale. And you put your weighing bolt on the balance and press the tare button. Then you weigh out the amount of solid that you require. Sometimes you'll have to calculate this. If you do, it will tell you in the question that your answer should include the mass required. If you're studying advanced higher chemistry, you'll also come across a phrase called weighing accurately approximately. This means that you weigh close to the mass that you need, but you note down the exact mass that you've measured. Once we've weighed out our required mass of solid, we then add a small volume of distilled water to the beaker to fully dissolve the solid. Then we get our volumetric or standard flask and we pour the solution into the standard flask with repeat rinsings. The repeat rinsings is crucial because we want to make sure that any of the solid that was originally in this beaker is actually transferred into our standard solution. Once you've done the repeat rinsings, you would then fill the flask up to the mark with distilled water. You don't have to mention this in your exam, but in reality, you should really add it drop-wise when you get close to the line, just to make your solution as accurate as you possibly can. When you're filling up your flask to the line, you want the bottom of the meniscus to be on the line. The meniscus is the little dip in the liquid, so you want the bottom of the meniscus to be on the line. So once you've filled the flask up to the mark with distilled water until the bottom of the meniscus is on the line, you would then stop her and invert to mix. And there you have one standard solution. One last reminder is that the definition of a standard solution is a solution of accurately known concentration. Bye!